Hi, I'm Kumar from 10 Explore SEO, and here in this video, I will show you how to do deploy QA test for new articles. Let's follow this guide. Right. First of all, you have to check whether if there are any new articles to do this test. Um, you can, as the first step, you can go to the article uh, content calendar table and go to this ready for deploy QA section. I have attached this direct link to that section. You can click on that link and directly go to that particular section. Right. Here you will see a list of new articles if there are any articles ready to publish. Right. Uh, First, click on this, this guide. First up, um, click on an expand icon in front of keyword to open record. You can see there's a separate record window uh, for each of these records. We can open it by click on this each expand icon. Now, these are the complete record dialog box, right? Uh, then ensure proper first step is ensure proper URL slug. Um, the slug should be like this, that the website.com is the main domain and slash then the main keyword without no spaces should be replaced with this slash. Okay. um, like this, you can see, go to the scroll down to URL field and check whether it is following this format. Our main keyword is this one, Alzheimer's care, Carson City, NV. So scroll down to the URL section. Here's the URL, proposed URL for the page. This is the Alzheimer's care Carson City NV, the main keyword, and the spaces are replaced with dashes. Okay. Now I can see that this format is correct. The first step is done. Then ensure proper heading format. Open the article link on the article doc. Place the cursor on heading and check whether they are formatted as heading accordingly. And formatted, if any of headings are not formatted as headings, then change that format heading appropriately. So let's do this one. Uh, Here in this record, you can see there's an article link. This is a link to the article file. Click on that. It will open up the original article file and then scroll down to the article content uh, starting position. Yeah. This is the uh, this is where the article begins in this document. So this is the main article heading. Okay. Now you can see this. Please place the cursor on this main heading. Then you will see the styles here. Article main heading style should be heading 1, not the title. So if there is any error or the issue with this formatting, we have to correct it. Select the heading and in the styles, heading 1. Now it's properly formatted. Most of the time, there's no issue with this thing, but please ensure that you follow the guide. Right. Ensure optimize photo and alt text. Photo alt text actually. Um, yeah. Not only these headings. I forgot to mention this. I only checked the first heading, and all the headings we have to check. Keep scrolling down, and find the article headings. You can identify them by the appearance. Here's the next heading. Click on the that text, and we can place the cursor. Then we can check the heading um, style. This is heading 2, and this is also heading 2, and this is heading 3, heading 3, heading 3, heading 3, and this is also heading 3. This is also heading 3, heading 3, and heading 3, heading 3, heading 2, heading 3, heading 3, heading 3, heading 3. Okay. Heading 3, heading 2, heading 2, heading 3, 3, 3, 3, and that's all. Okay, all the headings are now properly formatted, and the second step is done. Then the final step, ensure optimized alt text, photo alt text. In this article doc file, you will see there's a special text right under all the image links. These are the ones. In this article doc file, there are no images, but uh, the writers have selected and attached the iStock image link for the images. Right under this link, you can see there's a text, special text. This is the proposed alt text. Those alt text images must fulfill one or more following requirements. Should contain main keyword, should contain one or more alternative keywords, at least one should be there, uh, should contain one or more semantic words. Uh, every alt text should not fulfill all of these three requirements. Just only one is enough. Okay. To test what already created an essay tool, the alt text checker tool, we can use our own keyword counter tool. Actually, it should be keyword. Uh, we have renamed it keyword counter tool. I'll update that. Uh, we can use this to open this keyword counter tool, and it's very easy to use. Copy and paste all keywords and semantic words as comma separated list. Copy and paste each alt text and check uh, check test status is passed. If any alt text fails, add a comment to the article mentioning that issue or fix the adding a keyword to the end of the existing alt. Okay, let's start. I will demonstrate it. Let's go. Now, before start the testing, we have to copy and paste these article keywords and semantic words. Here, I'm copying this main keyword, and here in this there's a box keyword list in a comma separated format. I'll paste it. Then go back and copy these all alternative text and add a comma after this, and then paste this one, comma, and then copy this and copying this semantic words. Now it's done. And then I'm going to check one by one at a time. Copy the alt text and paste it here. Insert your text content here in this box. You can paste the content and count keywords. There's a special result. Uh, pass. Pass means it fulfill one or more requirements. So you can see that the Alzheimer Care Center keyword included in this alt text. Okay, the test result passed. Now let's move to the next one. Let's copy the one and press this one. Now it's also passed because it contains main keyword. And the next alt text, copy and paste. It contains this keyword, and so it's good. And next one, yeah. It contains one keyword and one semantic word. It's good. And this one. So it shows that this failed. Um, there's two solutions. We can add a comment uh, mentioning that there's a no any keyword or semantic word inside this text. Or if the most of the all text are good, then waiting for this editing by the editor takes some time. So we can correct that by just adding one of this keyword. I would give a very physical activity with loud ones with Alzheimer part. Yes, okay. Then let's copy this second keyword and we can add this thing like this. So it saves time in the process. If you see that many of the alt text fails, then it's better to notify the editor by adding comment. Right. That's a care center. Fast. Right. All the alt text are now good and it fulfill our requirement. And now third step is done. It's finalizing. To finalize the process, we have to change the status of the article. Now its test is done and it's okay. Results okay, and then you can set these status to ready to publishing. Now you can see that the article is gone from this list and now it's appeared in this ready to publish section. That's how we can perform this deploy QA test, and you can follow this guide and this video to perform this test. Thank you. Bye bye.